Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for easy, fun, and creative ways to use popsicle sticks, you're in the right place. Today, I've got some amazing popsicle stick craft ideas that you can make in no time, and most of them only require few basic supplies. So grab your popsicle sticks, glue and scissors, and let's dive in. Number 1. Popsicle Stick Picture Frame. First up, we've got a classic craft, a popsicle stick picture frame. This is a great way to display your favorite photos or artwork. All you need is a pack of popsicle sticks, some glue, and a little bit of paint or markers to customize it. To start, arrange 4 popsicle sticks into square or rectangle shape. Once the glue dries, add a backing with some cardboard or craft paper and insert your favorite picture. You can paint the sticks, add decorative elements like rhinestones, or even make it themed for holidays or special occasions. Number 2. Popsicle Stick Coasters. Next up, we are making some stylish popsicle stick coasters. These are functional and make for an excellent DIY gift idea. For this, you will need about 6 to 8 popsicle sticks for each coaster. Start by laying the sticks flat and gluing them together side by side. Then you can create a pattern by gluing another set of sticks on top, either vertically or diagonally. You can even paint them with fun colors or add a bit of glitter for some sparkle. These coasters are perfect for keeping your surfaces clean and stylish. Number 3. Popsicle Stick Bookmark. If you love reading, this craft is a must-try. A popsicle stick bookmark is simple to make and you can personalize it to fit your style. Just grab a single popsicle stick and paint it to decorate it with your favorite designs. You can use washi tape, stickers, or even draw cute doodles. To make it extra fun, add a ribbon or twine at the top of the stick. And you've got yourself a unique homemade bookmark that is perfect for your next reading adventure. Number 4. Popsicle Stick Mini Easel. Now here's a fun one. A mini easel made out of popsicle sticks. It is perfect for displaying your small paintings or even as a place to hold your phone or tablet. To create the easel, you will need 6 popsicle sticks, 2 for the base and 4 for the legs. Arrange them into an airframe shape, gluing them into place. You can even paint the easel and make it match the decor of your space. It is a great way to showcase your other popsicle stick crafts too. Number 5. Popsicle Stick Basket. This one is a little more involved, but totally worth the effort. A cute popsicle stick basket. For this craft, you will need a good number of popsicle sticks and some glue. Start by laying the sticks into a square shape, gluing them at the corners. Then keep adding sticks one layer at a time to build up the walls. Once your basket is the right height, add a handle by gluing more popsicle sticks together. You can even paint the basket or add a decorative fabric lining for a more polished look. Number 6. Popsicle Stick Snowflakes. It is great for winter decor. For those who love decorating for the winter season, popsicle stick snowflakes are a perfect project. Simply glue 6 popsicle sticks in a star-like pattern and you can paint them with white or silver paint to make them look frosty. Add glitter or sequins for some extra sparkle, and hang them up around your home for a winter wonderland vibe. These snowflakes also make great gifts for classroom decorations. Number 7. Popsicle Stick Pencil Holder. If you are in need of a new desk accessory, this next craft is perfect for organizing your pens, pencils, and markers. A popsicle stick pencil holder. Start by gluing popsicle sticks in a circle to create the base. Then continue stacking more popsicle sticks around the sides to build up the height. You can even personalize it with paint or stickers, or create a pattern like stripes or polka dots to add a little fun to your workspace. Number 8. Popsicle Stick Plant Pot Stand. Got a plant that needs a new stand? Why not make a popsicle stick stand for your favorite houseplant? Simply glue the sticks in a circular or square pattern and layer them to create a solid base. You can make this stand as wide or as tall as you need, depending on the size of your plant. This is a super customizable project, and you can decorate it however you like to match your home's decor. And there you have it, 8 super fun and creative popsicle stick craft ideas to try. These projects are perfect for kids, adults, and anyone looking to add a personal touch to your home decor. Best of all, they are budget-friendly and easy to make. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy decorating!